In the treasure house of Eastern wisdom, there is a book revered as the first among the classics, the source of all wisdom. Confucius was fascinated by it. Lao Tzu drew inspiration from it. This is the I Ching, the ancient book of changes. Many believe it to be a mysterious book of fortune-telling. But today, we will explore its deeper essence. As a wisdom tool that helps us clarify our inner choices and align with the laws of the universe. The core of the I Ching is built upon the universe's most fundamental duality. Yang, represented by a solid line, symbolizes the active creative and the light. Yin, represented by a broken line, symbolizes the passive receptive and the dark. These two simple lines, like the zeros and ones of the cosmos, combine in sets of 3 to form the 8 fundamental energy patterns known as the Bagua or Trigrams. These trigrams are then paired up to form 64 more complex situations, the 64 hexagrams. This system describes all the phases of change for everything in the universe, from inception to completion. The wisdom of the I Ching is that it believes the future is not fixed. It is one of countless possibilities manifested by every choice we make in the present moment. So what is the true meaning of divination or casting hexagrams? It is not about predicting an unchangeable fate. Instead, it is like a cosmic mirror. Through a random ritual like tossing coins, it reflects the truest energetic state of your subconscious at this very moment, and the future that this state is most likely to lead to. Casting a hexagram when you are confused helps you to pause and see clearly the situation you are in the hexagram. It then offers you advice full of wisdom, the line text. It doesn't make the decision for you. It empowers you with the wisdom to see the bigger picture. The final choice is always in your hands. The greatness of the I Ching lies not in what it can predict, but in its constant reminder to us that we are active participants in our own destiny, not passive observers. To consult the heavens and the earth is ultimately to consult our own true heart. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will explore a fascinating personalized topic, your lucky numbers. Thank you for watching.